thought experiment. How Schrodinger had thought of his cat, Laplace thought of a demon. The thing is, everything in the universe, Laplace thought is governed by Newton's laws. What you need to calculate the future of a particle is the particle's position and momentum. Now, if you have the particle's position and momentum, you can know its future, where it is going to be, at what speed it will be, all this stuff. The thing is that Laplace thought, if we can know the position of one particle by measuring its position and momentum, then we can know the future of this entire universe or future of anything in this universe by knowing the position and momentum of all the atoms in this universe. So take every single atom in the universe, calculate the position and momentum, and you can know what is going to happen in the future. You can know everything that is going to happen this instant and that instant, whatever is going to happen. Even you are deciding to become a physicist. That is a consequence of the Newton's laws. If you are eating basically, let's say, an omelette in your dinner or breakfast, that is also a consequence of Newton's laws. That is also a consequence of how the atoms are moving and what position and momentum the atoms have in this universe. So Laplace thought, if we can calculate position and momentum of all atoms, we can know the future, predict the future. The thing is, if you want to know what is going to happen 1 second later, you will have to calculate the position and momentum of all the particles in the universe, of all the atoms, in less than 1 second. The thing is, it cannot be done in a lifetime. You don't know how many atoms in this universe are. You cannot calculate the position and momentum of every single one of them. Then Laplace thought of a thought experiment of basically a kind of imaginary demon who can carry out such calculations in instants in his head. So that is what Laplace demon is about. That such a demon who can carry out so complicated basically calculations in instants in his head can predict the future, that what is going to happen, the future, what is going to happen with you, and whenever it is going to happen, he can know everything. This is what Laplace demon. Now, this is very deterministic and he was a physicist. Laplace was a physicist after the time of Newton.
कोई special achievement?
Now, Laplace had many special achievements. He had corrected Newton in a theory. The speed of sound in, let's say, a gas, Newton basically gave its formula, but Laplace corrected it, that this speed also depends on a thermodynamic variable of the basically gas in which it is moving.
तो कभी उसकी तो मैं देखता हूँ कुछ नहीं पढ़ते हैं लेप्लास कोई बुक या उसका
There are thousands of physicists in this world. How shall I read books for every single one of them?
मतलब मैं देखता हूँ 4-5 को तुम जैसे न्यूटन आइंस्टीन
So there are thousands of physicists. We cannot go after every single of
लेकिन
them.
4-5 को तुम ज़्यादा
Now there are also some quite underrated physicists. Like Bohr didn't get that much basically, if you see. Bohr. Niels Bohr.
वो तो उनके साथ पिक देखे थे उनका आइंस्टाइन के साथ ना?
He was contemporary of Einstein.
Contemporary.
They worked together, and they are all these Bohr, Marie Curie, Einstein, Schrodinger, Heisenberg, all these were contemporaries. The greatest, you can say, not even a rivalry. What do you even call it? Crossover in history. That was in 1920s. Michio Kaku, Brian Greene, Michael Green. Brian Greene, Michael Green. Michio Kaku and Neil deGrasse Tyson. Oh, yeah.
मिशियो काको बेटर मतलब देख रहा था वो कौन बोल रहा था दूसरा सिर्फ सुन रहा था
Neil deGrasse Tyson, like Michio Kaku, first person Isa, who actually Neil deGrasse Tyson also had to listen to. Now the thing is with Neil deGrasse Tyson, that basically not that he listens to anyone. He's in any show or whatever, he will just continue speaking, and he will just speak in his own self. But Michio Kaku was the first person I saw who even Neil had to listen to.